Hi, hello and salam. Welcome to CoelhosGarden. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and you can follow us on Instagram.
Hello and welcome back to another special. Today I'm going to be making a dish which is quite famous in the southern part of India. Chicken ghee roast. This dish is spicy, filled with a lot of flavor, and I'm sure you'll all love it. Let's get started. In a dish, we first need to make the marination for the chicken. We'll start with adding half a teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, a teaspoon of turmeric powder, a teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, and 2 tablespoons of curd. Mix it all well. Mix it all well to a paste-like texture. Then I have here 1 kg of chicken which is cleaned and cut to medium sized. Coat the chicken well with the marination and set aside for at least 30 minutes so all the flavors set in. While the chicken is getting marinated, in a kadai we'll dry roast some spices. We start with some finely chopped garlic, some fennel and cumin seeds, peppercorn and coriander seeds, and finally some red chillies. Keep stirring and tossing in between so you don't burn the spices. Reduce the amount of chilies if you don't like it to be very spicy. Once you start getting the fragrant smell, switch off the flame and transfer it to a blender. Wait until the spices are cooled down before you blend it. First you blend it slightly till it turns into a powder like this. Then you add some tamarind, jaggery and water. And then you blend it again to a smooth paste. In a kadai, add some ghee. Once heated, add the chicken pieces. Cook them almost until 80%. Now you remove the chicken and use the same kadai. Add some more ghee and then add the paste we made and cook until you see the oil starts to separate. Add some water. I've put some water in the blender and I'm going to use the same so all the flavors are used well. Once you see the curry starting to boil, add the chicken and coat the chicken well with the curry. You need to cook this in an open dish till all the gravy is completely thickened and dried up. Now I'm going to add some chopped coriander and you can taste and see now if salt is required. While the chicken is cooking, in another pan I've roasted some curry leaves in ghee. Then I've added it to the ghee roast. I have also made a video of making a tasty simple chicken curry. Link is available on the top right corner. You can watch that as well. You can see our chicken ghee roast is ready. Let's get it plated. You can see how lovely the chicken looks. This complements well with some jeera rice, parotas, dosas. It blends well with anything. If you like this video, do let me know in the comments. Follow me for more updates on Twitter, Instagram and Facebook. All the links are available in the description. See you until next time.
Thank you for watching my video. Leave a comment below if you've liked my recipe. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and you can follow me on Instagram. The account link is in the description. See you on Sundays, Tuesdays and Fridays.